Ahead of the budget session, minority communities leader discussed the preparation with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah at Vidhana Saudha. We spoke to Mansoor Ali Khan to know what was discussed during the meeting. Can you tell us what did the minority communities leader discuss with the Chief Minister?
It is a minorities, Muslims, Christians, Jains, Buddhists, Sikhs. They had a pre-budget discussion as what their aspirations from the budget are and what they require. So it is a general interaction with the Chief Minister from the various minority communities.
Okay. And so can you share us some of the aspirations that they spoke about?
The budget allotments, what the government, what the minorities want, and how much the Christian community, the Sikh community, and the Buddhists. So they all were mainly the demand was for education and for healthcare.
Okay. And can we expect something during the budget session on this?
Definitely, the government, definitely the Chief Minister and the Congress government will definitely give a very good budget to the minorities. And what promises have been done, the Congress will always fulfill.